Modern Family's coming back, so why not do a Get the Look with the mother of the year, Julie Bowen, from when we were on Busy Tonight. Yeah!
Before Jamie Greenberg, celebrity makeup artist, did my makeup today for Busy Tonight, I looked like gum.
Now you look hot. First, we started with this Makeup Forever Aquamatic, and this is a pink, it's ME80, and we just literally put it on as a base. Thrive Cosmetics in Audrey in the brow, and we just filled in the brow. Next, we took Smith & Colt. That's right, Smith & Colt. This is Book of Eyes in Noon Sweet. And we took a little of that Noon Sweet and we just went over the pink. But we wanted it to be like a rose gold, so that's why the base is pink. Hello? Some days my eyes are like so heavy. Oh, maybe it's because my son peed on me last night because he slept in my bed. That could be it. And I got no sleep. So I'm looking super old today. Then I took this color by Chanel called Brun Crevelu. This is like a shimmery brown. So I just went like this with jewels. Just a little bit. And then I did it up here too. Right at the base. Now every girl must have a curl. Every girl must have a curl. I like Troy Surratt. He does it for me. Hold it tight for 10 seconds. Because usually you only hold it for a couple seconds and pump, and it doesn't do the same thing.
The thing where you like heat it up?
Yeah, I've done that before, but then sometimes you gotta be careful because you can actually burn yourself, your skin. You wanna make sure it's plastic.
Okay.
Because otherwise, metal, think about it.
Yeah.
It's like a flat iron on your eyeball. Then we did some Better Than Sex mascara because you know what? Sometimes as a mom, you need Better Than Sex mascara. Lips are super dry. You know, I love to put the Chanel on, this Chanel Hydra Beauty. Oh, it's so good. Look how dry my lips are. Sahara Desert. So now we want the makeup to grip. So we're going to be using primer from Cover FX that I got super early because I'm hooked up like that. And this is the gripping primer. It's a firming primer and a gripping primer, and it holds your makeup on, and it's like kind of a wet gelatinous texture that you want to pat onto your face. Okay? So you can see. So we're gonna pat it. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna firm the skin, which is great, especially in this area, honey. And then it's gonna take on the foundation and it's gonna stay on longer. So you have hot lights, it's a long day backstage. You want everything to stay on. We're gonna use some Cover FX Power Play Foundation. That's what we used on Julie. Let's use this. We'll use the Jenny Patinkin all over the face. Patting it on. Get rid of that zit. Let's get rid of her. It's like Bob Ross. Don't forget your ears. If your ears are a different color than the rest of your face, you want to make sure you get all them ears. Take a little bit of this Cover FX powder, and we're going to set it. Whew. So I'm just gonna lightly swirl the powder in this area because I'm gonna add a little bit more cream in that area. I'm gonna be using Hush from MAC. And this gives a little highlight, just a very subtle highlight. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of that powder and go over that, just a teeny bit. Then I'm going into another MAC blush called Whole Lotta Love. Dun, 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 a whole lot of love. And it matches my shirt. It's very pinky. Now, for Julie, we didn't do a liner on the eyes, but I'm feeling like I want to do a little more liner on the eyes. So I'm going to just go in there with a little liner on the eyes. So here's my trick. We're going to use Troy Surratt as the liner. This is a brown. Small little dashes. Ta-da. Now, we're going to use Stila to do the cat eye. We've gone rogue on Julie's look, but it's okay. I'm going to do a little line and then close the top. That's it. Just a little something something. And then all we got to do is a lip. Now, the lip I used was Buxom, and it was these new felt tip lips. I gave it to Julie, and they're really cool. They're these little like puffs at the end, and you just draw it on, and it's kind of a powder texture. It's kind of crazy. So we'll just use something different. We're going to use a Wu-Tang lip. This is Milk mixed with Wu-Tang. This is the color Flow. Whoa. Take a little of that lip. Blot it. Put it on your cheeks. Oh, we did forget bronzer. I forgot. We did do a little contour with Tarte. Park Avenue Princess. I'm ready.